the product, and using that product, you need to solve the system of equations. Now, the previous sum, that is problem, question number 3, even in question number 2, you have been given the matrix A and you have been asked to find out A inverse, and using that A inverse, you have been asked to solve the system of equations. So, the moment you read the question, you need to identify the type. This particular question was asked in 2010, 2012, even in 2017 board examination paper. So, let us start solving this. Solution. Let A is equal to the matrix, write the matrix, minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. And B is equal to the matrix 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3. Now let's find out the product AB. AB is equal to minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1, multiply 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 3. This will be, considering first row and first column, I will be getting minus 4 into 1, minus 4, 4 into 1, plus 4, 4 into 2, 8, plus 8. Then, first row and second column. Then, minus 4 into minus 1, 4, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 4 into 1 plus 4. Now, first row and third column, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, then 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 4 into 3 plus 12. Then second row, considering second row and first column, I will have minus 7 into 1, minus 7, 1 into 1 plus 1, then 3 2s are 6, plus 6. Now, second row and second column, minus 7 into minus 1, 7, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 1 minute, let me check once again. Minus 7 into minus 1, 7, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, plus 3 into 1, plus 3. I will be getting plus 3. Then minus 7, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, then 3 3s are 9, plus 9. Coming to third row and first column, it will be 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now, third row, second column, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 3 into minus 2, it will be plus 6, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Now, third row, third column, 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, then minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Now, this is nothing but, simplify, see, plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled, you will be left with only 8. Then, 8 minus 8, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Here, 7 minus 7, 0. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 6 also 0. Here 11 minus 3 8. This is nothing but 8i. Because 8 can be taken out. Inside you will have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it is nothing but 8i. So whenever you come across a problem of this type, question of this type, where you need to find the product and using the product you need to solve the equations, there the product will be always either 8i or I or 4i or 12i or 11i or 6i. It will be a number multiplied by the identity matrix. So keep that in mind. Using this product, I am going to solve the given system of equations. We got the product AB as 8i. Now let me write the given system of equations in matrix form. I will be getting 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 3 multiplied with x y z. This will give me 4 9 1. 4 9 1. Now I need to compare, that is the matrix, with A and B. If I compare, what do I get? 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 3, 2 1 3. That means this matrix is B. This is X equal to some C, which implies X is equal to B inverse C. X is equal to B inverse C. Now, I know already the product AB is equal to 8i. AB is equal to 8i. This implies I is equal to 1 by 8 of A into B. So, 1 by 8 of A will be B inverse. The reason is B inverse into B will give you I. So, in this place B inverse, I need to write 1 by 8 of A. That means I am using this product to solve the equation. So, this is how this particular type of sum should be addressed, worked out. X is equal to B inverse C. So, this implies X, Y, Z should be equal to 1 by 8 of A, okay, X, Y, Z, 1 by 8 of A into C. This step is very, very important. X, Y, Z should be 1 by 8 of A. A is nothing but the matrix minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. Okay, into C. C is nothing but 491. 491. That's all. Now let us say B 1 by 8 of. Multiply first row and first column. Minus 4 into 4, minus 16. Plus 36. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 4. Then second row and first column. Only one column is there anyway. I will be getting minus 28 plus 9 plus 3. Then third row and that column will be 20 minus 27 minus 1. I need to simplify this. 1 by 8 of 36 minus 16 is going to be 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Then here I am getting 12. So if I subtract 12, I will be getting 16. So minus 16. Then here minus 28 plus 20. So minus 8. And let me take 1 by 8 inside, or let me divide each and every element by 8 I will be getting this as 3 minus 2 minus 1. So this is your x, y, z. Now, since these two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements also will be equal. Hence, equating the corresponding elements you get x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, z equal to minus 1. Okay, then you need to write your answer. First one is the product. The product matrix you got. Product is nothing but 8 times I, or that is 800, 080, 008. That will be the product. So that is the first answer. That product you are using it to solve it. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, z equal to minus 1. So this will be your final answer. Now let us move on to question number 5. Question number 5 also of the same type, finding the product. Say I am doing one more sum of the same type so that you will be in a position to understand or comprehend properly. Now let us move on to question number 5. Here you have been given the matrix A as well as the matrix B. You need to find out the product AB. Using that product, you need to solve the system of equations. This question is similar to the previous question what we did in today's class, and this question was asked again in 2010, 2012 and also in 2017. For a paper, this particular question was asked. Now, let's do this sum. Solution. So the product AB we need to find out, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4 0 1 2 into 2 2 minus 4 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 minus 1 5. Now let's find the product. First consider the first row and the first column. You will be getting 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Then 0 into 2 is going to be 0. Then first row and second column. That will give you 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 0 into minus 1 again 0. Then first row and third column. That will give you 1 into minus 4, minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, then 0 into 5, plus 0. Coming to second row and first column. That will give you 2 2s are 4, minus 12, plus 8. Then second row and second column, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Second row and third column, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, then 4 5s are 20, plus 20. Now let us consider the third row and first column. That will give you 0 into 2, 0, 1 into minus 4, minus 4, 2 into 2 plus 4. Then third row and second column, 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 2 plus 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then third row and third column, 0 into minus 4, 0, plus 1 into minus 4, again minus 4, then 2 into 5 plus 10. Now, if I simplify this, I will be getting 6, 0, 0. Here, 12 minus 12, 0. Again, 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled, left with 6. Then 20 minus 20, 0. Then 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 10 minus 4, 6. This is nothing but 6 side. I told you when we were doing the previous question, whenever you find the product, it will be the identity, a number multiplied by the identity matrix. So 6i. Now let me write this alone. This gives me I is equal to 1 by 6 of AB. Let it be. Now let me write the given equation in matrix form. I will be getting it as 1 minus 1. There is no z term. So 0. 2, 3, 4. Here there is no x term at all. So 0, 1, 2. Multiplied by x, y, z. That should give me 3, 17, 7. 377. Now, let me compare with the given matrix. This matrix, what I am getting is nothing but the matrix A. So, this is going to be AX equal to, let me take some C, because already B matrix is there. This gives me X is equal to A inverse into C. Now, I need to decide from here what is going to be A inverse. Because I am getting I is equal to 1 by 6 of AB. So this implies I can write this as A into 1 by 6 of B. Only then A into A inverse will give me I. So this will be my A inverse. Only then A into A inverse will give me, the product will give me the identity matrix I. So, let me write now, x is nothing but x, y, z. Let me write here, x, y, z is equal to, A inverse is 1 by 6 of B. 1 by 6 of B matrix. B matrix is 2, 2, minus 4. Minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2, minus 1, 5, into C. C is nothing but, I got it as 3, 17, 7. That was given, 3, 17, 7. Okay, now I need to multiply to get the value of x, y and z. This is nothing but 1 by 6 of the product. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 17, 34. Minus 4 into 7, minus 28. 28. 2 into 17 plus 34. Minus 4 into 7, see, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, sorry. Here you should have minus 12. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Then 2 into 17 plus 34. Minus 4 into 7 minus 28. Then 2 into 3 6. Minus 1 into 17 minus 17. 5 into 7 35 plus 35. Now this will give me 1 by 6 of, see here, 40. 40 minus 28. Which is nothing but 12. Then, here if I see, I am having here 40. Minus 40 plus 34, which is minus 6. Then, I am having here 41 minus 17, which is 24. Now, let me take 1 by 6 inside, or if we divide each and every element by 6, I will be getting this as 2 minus 1, 4. So you are getting the matrix x, y, z equal to 2 minus 1, 4. Since these two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements also will be equal. Hence, by equating the corresponding elements, we get, this implies x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z equal to 4. Now you need to conclude your answer. Answer should be, the product AB is equal to the matrix 600, 060, 006, which is equal to 6i. The second answer, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 and z equal to 4. This is how you will be concluding your answer.